Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about how you can take regular items and multi-purpose them for decor items. So I'm going to show you ways that you can use things in different rooms and that kind of thing and make it actually a decor item. So for example, these are regular vases. Most of the time you'll see somebody put like a candle in here and like set it on like a mantle or like a hutch or something like that. But here we are utilizing a regular vase in a restroom with some loafahs as decor. So there is one way. You don't always have to, use it for the purpose that it is intended. Make sure you're always trying to think outside the box. So there's one way. Another way you can use a vase is, this is actually one that we put bath salt in and it has its own lid, but instead of using the lid, we just took the bottom of another one. See, this is a standalone vase on its own, but we used it on top of this one, like this, and then we just rolled some towels in here. So it kind of has like a dual function. Again, this is just a regular candle vase that you can use in your living room, but we are using it in the bathroom, so we're multi-purposing it. And it looks unique and super fun and different. And so just always try to think of ways that you can use decor items outside the box. So now I want to move over here, and a lot of times people think these baskets, you find them like 3-tier, 2-tier, are used for like fruits in the kitchen, that kind of thing, or cupcakes or anything like that. But here we're also using it in the restroom with towels, and it's simple. You just roll the towels and put it in like the corner somewhere. It looks luxurious in your bathroom. Super easy to use and utilize. And again, we are multi-purposing this basket for fruit, cupcakes, or anything like that in your kitchen. Same with like a bowl. A lot of times you see these like in living rooms on a coffee table with like the glass balls or that kind of thing, or moss. Here we're doing it with towels rolled. So I am just utilizing this for a restroom decor. And again, just find ways to think of decor items that you can use outside the box. So then we're gonna come over here, and you can see this is actually a cutting board. One of those fun charcuterie boards, or however you say it. But we're using it in a restroom to just kind of host our little candle station and some soaps like that, and it looks real cute on the side of the counter. You can add anything on here that you want, soaps that you like, but again, this is a cutting board for the kitchen that we are using in a restroom. So just make sure you're trying to think outside the box on how to repurpose decor items in different situations that you probably might already have in your home, and you just don't know how to style your room with it. So these are different styling ideas. They're super easy. You can find all of these at like Home Goods, Ross, those type of places that are very inexpensive. And so that's what I wanted to share with you today. And I hope everyone is living just fancier.